Dr. Darien, you are taking a medical question from one of our viewers now, and this one is from Ruth J. What are the symptoms of a mold allergy, and when should I see a doctor?
Very common question. The symptoms of a mold allergy look very much like the symptoms of regular allergies. Itchy eyes, a constant cough, and sometimes hives on your skin. And this can happen throughout the year, not just associated to those allergy seasons. So number one thing you want to do is understand your risk of exposure. If you're in a home with a lot of humidity, which is more than 50%, there's leaky pipes, those are sources of water, that increases the risk of mold exposure. And that can lead to symptoms of chronic sinusitis, a constant cough, and that's when you want to get it checked out and evaluated. In some patients, you might need to get blood tested, and for some patients, you might need to get treatment.
The doctor's prescription for wellness.
We're going to talk about the gym. People are still trying to get into the gym. I know it's way past New Year's resolution time.
She sat back on this one.
I gave up on this.
It can be intimidating. So today's script for wellness are on some things you should remember before you step back into that gym, especially if you lost your resolution. It's okay, you can pick it back up. The number one thing you want to do is don't underestimate the value of a warm-up. It's just so vital. That can include a short jog. If you're going to use a machine, you want to go through the movement on that machine.
Especially if you're older,
or no weight, especially if you're DeMarco's age. You also want to prioritize your form. Form is so important. You should prioritize it. If you are lifting up a weight and you can't hold that form, it is too much weight. So you want to decrease your weight. Make sure you clean the equipment. We know that DeMarco does this excessively.
No,
you want to make sure.
He's a
germaphobe. You want to make sure
before he uses it.
Right. Well, that too. These are high-touch surfaces. You want to avoid germs, and then most importantly, it's okay to ask for help. Remember, everyone is there for the same purpose. It is okay to reach out and ask for some assistance.
Have you worked out with him?
I'm that guy I'm like, man, you're not going to clean the weights?
And put the weights back.
Yeah. But he does. He takes that warm-up seriously.
You better. You have to. And folks, we would love to hear from you, so please hit us up on Instagram with all of your medical questions at ABCGMA3. She knows because we have worked out together.
Yeah, he's actually a beast in the gym.